A will is an important document, yet each year a significant number of individuals die without one in place. Of course, not many people would want to talk about or think about their mortality and what happens after they're gone. But it is crucial to have something in place to ensure that your loved ones are looked after. Having a will ensures that your estate is distributed in line with your wishes and that your loved ones rightfully inherit your legacy. If you don't create a will, your assets will be distributed according to the laws of intestacy, which could then lead to your assets ending up in the hands of those that you do not wish to benefit from. A will enables assets to be distributed according to what's stated in the will. And therefore, that makes the process of handling your affairs much easier for your loved ones, and also prevents unnecessary stress at a challenging and difficult time. If you have assets in different countries, you may also wish to consider writing a will in each of the country in order to reduce uncertainty as to how the international courts will treat your assets. And if you have children, guardianship is also something that should be considered. Appointing a guardian will ensure that your children are looked after by someone that you trust should the unthinkable happen. You should therefore make sure that a legal guardian is appointed in your will, because if you don't, then the courts will be the decision maker on who will be the legal guardian, which may not be your preference. If you're an expat, you should also consider appointing a temporary guardian so that someone locally can look after your children whilst waiting for the permanent guardians from overseas to arrive. Most people don't think about creating a lasting power of attorney as well, as it's often not thought about until we get older or have a long-term illness. A lasting power of attorney allows you to appoint someone to make decisions and act on your behalf if you lose the physical or mental ability to make those decisions for yourself in the future. It is definitely something important that you should consider doing, especially when the COVID pandemic has reminded us that no one really knows what's around the corner. A will, guardianship, and lasting power of attorneys are all important things to consider putting in place in order to help you protect your legacy and plan for the future. If you require more information on how we can help with that, please get in touch with your St. James's Place partner.